Once you up your affiliate marketing game, is your website not bringing the ideal numbers and traffic to your referrals? Tune in to learn more about landing pages and funnels and how essential they are in building your audience, turning them from just being an audience to customers, and get your customers to keep coming back for more and more. Subscribe to Dr. Melva TV on YouTube for your go-to guide in digital marketing, real estate investing, and wealth building for all the ambitious and purpose-driven women out there. I provide helpful tips, recommendations, guides, and other instructional materials to start and nurture your business to its success, along with every video to really help you in achieving your goals and live the life you have been dreaming of. Doesn't that sound exciting? Click the bell icon to get notified when a new video is uploaded every Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. When I started my affiliate marketing business, I thought having a website was enough to market my business online. But after a few days, I realized the website wasn't getting enough traffic. And further than that, no sales were coming in despite the complete and detailed information, appealing images, compelling product descriptions, and all the marketing efforts done on various online platforms. That's about the time when funnels were already becoming popular among affiliate marketers, and I decided to try them out. And I was blown away by how effective they were in attracting people to check out the content, and eventually made way for more traffic and even sales. Now my website, landing pages, and funnels work hand in hand as major marketing tools for my business. Number 1, what are landing pages and funnels? A landing page is a single web page with a single goal. All focus and everything about the website is created to fulfill its one goal. Since it is a single page, then it also serves as the end page, where the end goal must be achieved. So distractions, links to other places, and the mention of other products or services that might make visitors click away or leave the page must be avoided. Oftentimes, a landing page is created with the goal to either gather contact information of leads or encourage visitors to make a purchase. A funnel is a series of landing pages and email sequences that are set up with different goals, either to collect information, product or service offers, or purchase options relevant to the niche along the way until the visitor reaches the end goal are presented. So the series of landing pages and emails built within the funnel are put in place for a chance to upsell, i.e. sell additional products, during the visitor's journey to achieve the end goal of the funnel. Oftentimes, visitors go through the funnel with the end goal in mind, but going through the landing pages, some related products or services are being presented to make the visitor think that they need it to add to the end goal for a better experience, and oftentimes they really do. Number 2, what are the advantages of using landing pages and funnels, and how is this different from a website? A website is a series of web pages that contain information about a business or company, with links to other web pages that contain specific information about different things, such as the About page, products and services, contact information, payment, and so much more. There's so many things that a website can do. It can gather information for visitors, offer products and services, provide information, but selling and guiding people to product descriptions and offers are some of the things it's not really good for, especially for small business owners who have yet to make a name for themselves in the online world. However, landing pages and funnels are a surefire way to connect with people within the same niche and interests. It is a way to introduce a single product or service and other products or services relevant to it, making more chances of multiple purchases and repeat customers coming back to you for things that they might need within the same niche. It also does a good job of guiding and encouraging people to make a purchase with proper placements of call to action links and buttons and appropriate wording. Number 3, these are the top 3 and most popular funnel building platforms: ClickFunnels, Builderall, GrooveFunnels.
I'm going to show you how to start building your first funnel.
I personally use ClickFunnels because I find it easy to use and it can easily be integrated to an email marketing software platform to send email sequences like Keep, formerly known as Infusionsoft. Number 5, how to drive traffic to your landing pages, funnels, and get high conversion rates. Number 1, use relevant keywords in making your headlines. The easiest way to find keywords is to type in your topic on Google search and wait for the drop down with suggestions to appear for the first 5 to 10. These are the most searched topics, and you can work on a headline with the words used in those topics. Number 2, make your call to actions as clear as possible and position in such a way that it stands out. Bold colors such as red and orange are usually used to make call to action buttons stand out and attract visitors, stating the action that you wish for the visitors to take. Number 3, anticipate your target audience's problems and list down the benefits and solutions the product or service can provide for them. Number 4, ask customers for reviews and testimonials and add these to your landing page. People are more likely to buy when they hear about other people's experiences with it and see proof that it works. Number 5, use attention-grabbing and high-quality images and videos. Use videos and images to effectively demonstrate the features and benefits of the product or services to better convince visitors to make a purchase. Number 6, make sure that the landing page funnel is desktop and mobile optimized. Nowadays, most people are browsing the internet on their mobile phone, so it's wise to make sure that the landing page is easy to view when on a mobile phone. Number 7, get inspiration from landing pages of businesses from the same niche. Search for landing pages online by typing in the name of the product or service you are promoting, and Google search and check websites for the top 5 to 10 results and note the best practices that these pages are using. Spend the weekend with me as we set up your affiliate marketing business online. I will guide you in setting up your very own affiliate marketing business over the weekend with in-depth knowledge of every aspect of the business, advanced techniques and strategies, as well as the best practices in making effective and profitable referrals. I will also teach you how to find the best affiliate products with the highest return on investment, how to create appealing and highly compelling content for your referrals, and how to determine which platforms work best in reaching your target audiences. Classes will be taught live with interactive video conferencing, and in case you missed any of the live classes, don't worry. They'll be recorded, and if you want to go back to the lesson, the recordings will be available for you. So excited about this opportunity. Check out more videos where I talk about digital marketing, real estate investing, and wealth building every Friday, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time here at Dr. Melva TV on YouTube, empowering women to monetize their purpose. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons as well as the bell icon to get notified about new uploads. See you again soon.